And we shall save the kitty! Like, just use the Why did you make another one?
How many times do we have to teach you this lesson, old man?
Spin my head right round when you go down.
What is up, you guys? It is me, Ghost260. Welcome back to Project Arrhythmia. This is by Triple and Azal, level by Aratonati. I don't know how to say it, sorry. Difficulty Expert Plus, great. Level 11B out of 10 of the Adouable pack. In shock that it destroyed the wrong weapon, Helma stopped Kitcat, who is now overpowered on space milk. I thought it was vodka the first time I saw him drinking. Not gonna lie, because there was a lot of Russian remixes of this. Wow. That music is crazy, but why do we have another Kitcat level? I have another one after this I could play. Why are there so many Kitcat levels? This thing tortures me. And after the you must be destroyed level, it destroyed Kitcat for me. So let's just do this. I'll have the level down below. I'll have Discord and Twitch down below. I'll have Aratonati's channel down below. I'm saying that totally wrong. Sorry. Let's just do this. I'm not ready for this. Oh god, the checkpoints are so far. This level may trigger photosensitive epilepsy. Don't play this if you get seizures. Nah. Okay, you've been warned. Son of a gun. I'm having something else. It's called PTSD. God. Milk meter. No, you don't get your milk because you've been a cat. You're killing people. Oh my god! No! I remember this. Please don't. Don't. I thought we crashed. Oh my god. No! Hold on, y'all. I got like an eyelash in my eye or something. Imagine I didn't record this. Milk meter. Kitcat, do not engage. Kitcat. We've been through a long time, Kitcat. We've been back and forth. Ooh. Oh, crap. This is hell. This is what hell feels like. Look at the last one! Oh my god. Okay, this left side here is doing pretty well so far and not making any issues. Like, if I stay over here, it's not until like right here, I gotta remember to go down there. Holy crap. Leave me alone! Kitcat, please! And thus, the hell begins. Oh no. Oh, I thought, okay, so that's gonna be the, that's gonna be the going thing. Gotcha. I'm gonna beat the milk. Stop with the milk. We've talked about your alcohol problems. Because if you don't know, of course, milk is alcoholic. Don't know how many of you know that. Haha, fun facts with Ghost. Ooh, up. Down again. Where are you going? Oh, the rings. That's right. I gotta remember that. Leave me alone! Oh my god. That's only halfway through the first checkpoint. Kitcat. We need to have a real talk here. We need to have a real talk here, my guy. Like, what is happening? Okay, it's down. Down! Then up. Gotta get there before the rings attack. Down. If I watch the rings, I got this. Dang it, I didn't watch the rings. Okay, we're new. New territory. Low on milk? Well, that will do, because you're not supposed to have that. Because from the thumbnail, you get too powerful if you have milk. Kitcat, space milk, move meter, 4%. Please don't. We don't need the space milk. Please, at least give me the checkpoint, please. Oh my god. He's gone Super Saiyan. Checkpoint. Drop it now. Everybody on your feet. Everybody drop and beat. Holy crap. Space Boy is at it. Oh boy. Okay. This is gonna be tricky. I can already tell. Ooh. Ooh! Ooh! Oh my god. We gotta chill, man. Ooh. Ooh. What was that? Was that a... No! Man, I lived that. I still got hit. Okay, up here. Oh! Oh! I got lucky, y'all. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. That's what we're doing? Oh my god, you gotta be joking me, dude. Oh, the square. Ooh. No! Ooh. Okay, 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 okay. Okay! Oh, I almost had that. Oh, son of a gun, dude. Best round, and I messed it up. Okay, lasers, lasers, lasers! Lasers! Please don't, please don't! No! Oh my god, the checkpoint. Oh my god, I'm gonna lose my mind on this level. Oh my god! What's happening? So we can't go down there. We gotta go up here. We gotta stop getting hit there. That's the issue. And stop getting hit there because I'm losing my stuff from that. Come on, please just give me a checkpoint. Please give me a checkpoint. Okay. I'm starting to understand what I gotta do. So I am gonna definitely 100% need all 3 health before I get over there. Okay, this might work. This might work. If I don't mess this up, this might work. Please, please. I'll ask is that I get a checkpoint. Y'all don't know how great that felt to hit that checkpoint. Oh my god. Okay. I like the music, but we gotta chill out a little, Kitcat. Holy crap, you going crazy up in the house. Bruh, somebody must have scored him with a water bottle. That's the only thing I can see happening that must have done this to him. Dang it, I forgot about the circle. Kitcat, you gotta chill out, my guy. Oof, I barely survived. Wait, do I have 2 health? Oh, I do. Kitcat, I'm sorry! Kitcat, please. Kitcat! I'm impressed I'm alive. Please, 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 please. Oh my god, we're nowhere near the checkpoint. I thought we were near a checkpoint. Please. Have mercy. Have mercy, please! Please! Please, have mercy. Have mercy. Please. No! Please, 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 please. Alright, I had to get all that out. We're ready to go. We're ready to go. I'm gonna just restart quickly. Had to get all the frustration out. All of it. Yep, definitely all of it. Can't wait to play the next Kitcat level. Him, her. Oh, that was close. The blocks. The blocks. Squares got me. I'm okay with this. Honestly, now that I got like through that one part, all like most of my rage is gone. Most of it is. It just still upsets me that Kitcat is drunk again. And has a freaking arm cannon. Oh, that son of a gun stopped it. I hate your cannon. I want you to know that. Oof. Okay, I have 2. I have 2 HP. Don't jinx it! I almost jinxed it. Like an idiot. Haha. Oh, I'm scared. Although 2 does make me feel more secure, the milk meter is at 40. We gotta be careful. One wrong move, and I'm done for! The blocks. The blocks in the corner! Oh, frick. That better have been a checkpoint right there. Okay, I can work. Kitcat! Kitcat! You're a DJ, I get it. You talk to Nowie, please. If you want to be a DJ, talk to Nowie. Trust me, he's great. Just please let me out of this. Oh my god, what was that? I just realized once again how long this last checkpoint is. I'm starting to realize that Kitcat might be the most powerful person, even more powerful than Jester. Yeah. Imagine if I reset right here. Oh my god, I'd lose my mind. DJ Nowie! Drop it. Everybody on your feet, dropping down. Here we go. Oh my god. Bruh! What are you doing? What can you? Oh, the ball. Holy crap. No! Hey, that's not fair! That is rude and really good talk. Oh, I can't be mad because I just saw the face. Son of a gun. Why did you have to make it a cat? The cat makes it so much harder to be mad at. What was the issue here? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. The walls. Forgot. What? Oh, right. Hey! No! How does it know? How do they know where you'll go? Is it because it's the only area to head to? Kitcat, we have to have a talk. Oh, not the lasers, please. Low on milk. Fine, that's great. I don't care. Stop. Ooh. You don't know what you're gonna do? Is that what you're saying? Oh, you son of a... We're not even halfway through. Okay, time it. Oh, the laser! Honestly, if Nowie and this Kitcat got together, like Nowie's the DJ and Kitcat is the lighting, they'd have a great band, bro. Aha! Frick! I did it. Oh my god, no! Please! Okay, what's happening? That's halfway? That's halfway! Please. No! That's like 75. That's good enough, right? No! I clicked the button. Ooh, that was close. I almost messed that up. Okay, we gotta watch carefully. That's the issue. I can't go down there. But I don't know if I can go up either. Ooh, that was close. I don't know if I could do that a second time, dude. Oh my god, I barely did it. I gotta be careful. I'm not being careful enough. Oh my god. How am I alive? Okay. 2 lives. We're doing great. Oh my god, please. Yes, Kitcat, are you finally okay? Oh, he is awoken out of milk in space. Staying away from you for right now. Are you done? Oh, he's sleeping. I'm not touching that. I'll take that F. That took an hour, 6 minutes, and 2 seconds. That is what this took. But we are finally done with Meowter Space. I don't know if I said that. And yeah, I don't think I'll be revisiting this anytime soon. Wait. Oh, why did you make another one?